All right. I want us to go back to science. I hope you have where you are going to be writing your notes. Okay?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Last time, who remembers what did we talk about in science? Science and technology. Who remembers? Yes, Brave?
Teacher, can you hear me?
Brave? We talked about
Energy.
and
Teacher, fuel.
yes, very good. We talked about energy and fuels.
Fuel.
That you remember about what we talked about. Energy.
Teacher, can you hear Tawan?
Please, we are in the class now, please. May you listen to me and answer the questions. We are learning now. Okay. Right.
Yes,
Anything that you remember which we talked about? Energy and fuels. Yes, Tawana. Tawana. I can see you. Tawana.
We talked about kinetic energy and
Yes.
potential.
Yes, kinetic energy, potential. Uriel, what else did we talk about?
Talk about that fuel burns to produce
Yes,
produce heat.
yes, very good. Fuels burn to produce energy. That is what we talked about. All right. What else? Tino, what do you remember from our last lesson about energy and fuel? Tino Tenda?
We learned about
Speak up, yes. What you remember? Speak up.
energy is used.
Energy is?
Is the
Tino.
yes, ma'am.
Brave, what else do you remember?
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic. Yes,
All right. All right. Where's Tanaka? Tanaka, what else? Hmm? Yes, Brave. Right, there is so much that we learned about.
when a fruit falls down.
Yes, when we want to, yes, what kind of energy is that? Brave? It is?
Kinetic energy.
Yes, it is kinetic energy. Potential is stored in energy. All right. And then moving energy, when something moves, it produces kinetic energy. Right. Don't you remember we learned about oxygen where we had to light two
Yes,
candles? You remember that? Yes.
Yes,
Around us. If we were to light two candles, we cover this other one with the glass, and then we leave this other one uncovered. Which one is going to show that oxygen is around these two candles? Yes, Uriel?
It's the uncovered candle.
Yeah.
Candle B.
Yeah, because it will remain lit to show that oxygen is present around us. Can you see that? We did these two experiments. Even as for us to live, we breathe in oxygen. trees also need oxygen. Wherever we are, this air we have, it is very, very important. All right. Okay, we said we have got
Yes, ma'am.
forms of fuels, which are those fuels in three
Yes, teacher.
forms. Form one, it is in brave,
Liquid.
liquid, Tino, another one,
Gas.
gas, very good. Third one, Tanaka. Tanaka,
Yes, teacher.
yes, Uriel,
Solid.
it is
Solid.
solid. Tanaka, you have to unmute. I can't unmute you. I don't know what's happening. Solid. Right. Among those solid, you find that there is firewood. Hello. You have joined us, Nicholas. Hello. Right. Amongst those solid, we have got wood, isn't it? Which burns when we are cooking. Right. We are seeing fire. We make fire out of wood. We light our candles so that we can see. Okay. But also,
Yes,
we are
ma'am.
saying as much as fuels are helpful, fuels, we do many things with them. They are also hazards. We want to look at fuel hazards, the bad part about fuels. As much as we are saying fuels are good, but there are also bad parts about fuels. Brave, where are you going? Brave. Please, when you are here, sit down, and then we'll have time to go out. Don't be going out and coming in. No. Right. When it burns, let us look at this hazard. Why is it fire a hazard? Look at this. What is happening there? This is a form of fuel. Can you see this fuel? It is fuel.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is happening now? Yes, Brave?
Yes, ma'am.
What is happening?
The heart is burning.
Yeah, now the heart is burning. But we want this fuel. It helps us cook. It helps us to be warm. But when it does this, is it good?
No, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
Now it is a hazard. It is not good. We don't like it now when it is a burning hot like this. This is the solid fuel. This is firewood. Okay. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, let us look here. Which fuel is this one? Now, look at this and look at there. Which fuel is that? Tawana?
Yes, ma'am.
This one? Which fuel? This says here. It is
A type of fuel. Liquid.
which fuel is found here? What is this? Luanda?
American.
Yes, so which fuel is this?
Petrol.
Oh. Yes, Brave?
Diesel.
Yes. Or dieseline. Petrol or diesel. We want this type of fuel in our cars in order for us to move nicely. But when it's poured down here, it becomes a hazard because whoever can strike a match, everything here can burn.
Ma'am.
All right.
Yes,
Everything,
ma'am.
everything can burn. Instead of petrol being something that we want, now it is a hazard. Hazard are substances that are not good. Now fuels tend to be hazard if they are not looked after properly. Because when you have got fuel in the jerry can, you should keep it away from small children. You should see to it that the jerry can doesn't leak, that the petrol or diesel will not flow down, and so that we say to have got oxygen, which makes a light, which makes when you strike a match, that candle will remain lighting because there is oxygen. So if you leave petrol or diesel lying on the floor, wherever that person might be, if he strikes a match, oxygen is going to activate this petrol which is here, and everything is going to burn. So it is now a hazard when it is not inside the cars, when it is not inside the tanks in the garage. Okay, right.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, look at mother. Mother is cooking there. See? Gas stove. Can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Gas stove. There is fire there, which is coming. So she mustn't leave the stove like that. When she goes out, she has to switch it off. Because if it is left like that, the fire will burn out and it is going to become a hazard. Can you see that? This
Yes,
fire
ma'am.
is going to become a hazard. There are people, let's say in rural areas, even here in towns, who will just strike a match, their cigarettes. Then that stick will have LP fire, just throws it away in the bush. Look what is going to happen. This is also a hazard. Yes, somebody was smoking, then before the net went out, he threw it in the veldt, in the bush, then the fire, the grass caught fire. So which means the bush is going to be burnt. Remember, in the bush, there are small animals that live in the bush. They are going to die. This is also a hazard. Let us look at the hazards that we learned about today. The first one is what? What is this hazard? What is happening here?
This house is
burning.
Ah,
burning.
very good. Next, what is it?
The
Nicholas?
petrol is low.
Eh? What is it?
Petrol.
Yes.
The
What is
fuel is
happening?
leaking.
What is it here? Petrol is on the flow. So it can burn any time. All right. Another hazard, this one. What are we?
Mother is
Huh?
mother left the stone.
Yes, she's using which fuel?
Gas stove.
Which
Oh.
fuel?
Close.
Luyanda, which fuel is she using?
Gas stove.
Yes, a gas stove where there is gas should take care of this gas, because if it doesn't take care of this gas, it's going to become a hazard.
Yes.
Hazard.
Then what happened here? Tanaka, look up. Tanaka,
No. Yes, ma'am.
what
Yes,
happened?
ma'am.
Tino?
The bush is on fire.
Yes, what made the bush to be on fire? Nicholas,
Fire caused by cigarette.
someone was smoking cigarettes.
Red.
Huh?
Fire caused by cigarette.
Okay. Nicholas, can you hear me? Nicholas. Yes, the cigarette, someone was just smoking without taking any care, just throws away the matchstick, which is still burning. And then the grass there's dry grass, as you can see, leaves in the veldt or in the bush, they catch fire. Now the fire has become a hazard. Instead of us liking the fire because it warms us, because we cook with it, because it lights when it is dark. Now it becomes a bother. It is a hazard. It is destroying the health. It's destroying small animals. So we should take care of those fuels, because we are saying fuels and they give us energy. But at the same time, they are also hazardous. Hazard, meaning they destroy. Something that is hazardous, it destroys, especially fire. Fuel, which is fire, is hazardous. Right. We want to take safety precautions. We should keep the fuel safe. Fuel should be kept in cool places where temperatures are kept low, like petrol. It doesn't want heat. If you put it in jerry can, leave it where there will be fire, it's going to burst and there will be a hazard. So it could be kept in a cool place where temperatures are very, very low. Also, fuel should be kept away from small children, because children want to experiment. Also, don't put petrol, diesel in a bottle where there is bottle where there is juice. Small children will find, look at that bottle. They see it is written Mazo, but you have put petrol. The child will take the bottle, open and drink, thinking there is what inside?
Poison.
No. The child will think there is what inside the Mazo bottle? Juice, but what will be inside?
Petrol.
Petrol, which is a hazard. Now the child drinks, what happens to the child?
The child dies.
The child may even die. So we should take precautions. Put those fuels away in a safe place. All right. Also, when people are smoking, they mustn't just throw away the lit matchsticks, because that will end up being a hazard. Okay, right. I think now we are done now with our first lesson, although we started late. Please, we are going to go for the second one. Don't go away. Just log out and come in. Don't go away. Do we understand?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
We're not going away. We're coming for maths. Let's just log out, seated there, and also log in. Bye-bye for now.
Bye, teacher.
Yes, the